it's house money, put money into the market, pull out the principal, leave my gains in the market. Got free stocks going. Just let them compound over time. In this video, I'll just be going over some of the things I did today while I was at work. You know, some of the stocks I looked at, analyzed, and stuff like that. Some of the gains I got in the market today as well. So let's jump into it. NET is a growth stock I was taking a look at, and looking at the technicals and the projections and the sales and everything like that. I did set a price target on this at 100, so just something you can jump into and you know, make a quick little profit, a nice little option play or swing trade play, or maybe you can do it for the long term. Next here, I posted Snowflake, another growth stock. I believe it's going to have a similar run up comparable to Facebook, as well as I believe that it will get bought up similar to the way that NIO was bought up throughout the hype. And I'm actually in Snowflake. I have a few positions in a few different brokerages, so it's a company that, you know, I have a lot of faith in. And like I said, it's a growth stock, so this would be a nice play for anybody to jump on it as well. If you don't have 386 for a share, you know, just buy some fractionals. You don't have to necessarily swing trade or use my strategy. You know, if you can do long term, your own type of swing trades or options. It really don't matter. Next here, you got IPOB, which I just added to my watch list today. Been looking at this stock since the SPAC, since it hit the market, and I'm starting to like it a lot. I've liked it, just not enough to put it on my watch list, so this is something I'll probably jump into next month. And it's probably going to be similar to Amazon. I wouldn't say better or, you know, the next technical Amazon, but it's going to be in comparison. So ought to be a very, very nice growth play. Then here, my stash account. Today I posted, I'm up $322.83, up 6.66%. And you see my top holding right there is Blue Chips, which is 2% of my portfolio. $47.24, up 47.62%. And that Blue Chips there is actually just a long-term hold. Something I bought a while back. I think I bought like $34 over or something like that. But of course it's Blue Chips, so all the tech giants like your Facebooks and all that type of stuff, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, they're all in that ETF, so it's a very good ETF, very dependable. Then I posted my Cash App account, which has a balance of $1,643.79. I'm up $531.60, or 16.43% on the year. And this is mostly made up of just house money stocks, you know, basically free stocks that and gains that I got, you know, from swing trading. I do probably have some swing trade plays left in here that I need to take the principal out of, but we'll go through that, you know, as time goes on. I'll make some of those trades tonight. Actually, I'll probably do like 16 trades or so. This is from my public account. I have $2,500.96 in the past 6 months, which I started this account in June. I'm up $343.70, or 20.68%. And as you can see, just from these 3 brokerages here, you know, I'm up. I'm up over $1,000, you know, and that's just basically off the strategy I'm using. So obviously it's working out good in my favor. Then I posted a PLTR. This is from my I want to say Ameritrade account. Yeah, I believe from my Ameritrade account. I'm sorry. And I bought 1 share. This is gonna be a house money play as well, I believe. It's up $10.11. So basically what I'll do is pull out my principal, which was $18.66, leave the $10.11 in the market. I'll leave it in that stock, and then I'll have basically $10.11 worth of PLTR that's just gonna ride out free, you know. and that's a good SPAC right there. So if you want to jump on that, you need to catch that hype, you know. Then I posted another day, another dollar. Some of the plays I have: LAZR was up 10% at the time. CRSR was up 2% at the time, and Big Commerce was up 2% at the time. And these are three of my holdings that I have as well. So it's nice to see those gains early on in the day. Then I just posted a quick, you know, the market was down in the morning. And these are some of the plays I have as well: Fastly, Lee Auto, Upwork, Smile Direct, Twist, Moderna, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, PLTR. And the ones with the highlighted check, of course, are the ones that are on my watch list, the stocks that I actually invest in. Stix Fix did very great today. And then Kodak was down. IPOC was up. So as you can see, just from my watch list and the positions you've seen so far, I'm investing in very great, you know, very good stocks and stuff like that. And then I posted my stash account again. My balance risen up. It was now at 330.87. Went from 6.66% to 6.83% throughout the day. This is 11 o'clock. And then I posted my Cash App. My gains jumped to 543.01, 16.78%. So I'm just making money as the day goes. Then I posted a Robinhood dividends video here. Posted stash again for 333.44. Now it's up to 6.88%. Cash App count went up to 545.20, up 16.85%. And then I posted a Tesla play I made here, which was actually a long-term investment I made a while back. I invested $14. I've gained $87.14 just off that 14 bucks here on Tesla in my Cash App. You know, just show you guys and other people that, you know, you can actually turn a small amount of money into something, you know, a lot more. So if you do that in several different positions, you know, you can actually make some good money. And then, you know, risking $14, I mean, risking $14 isn't a risk at all. You know, if you lose $14, it's not much. You know, you'll spend that easy just going to your nearest fast food place. Then my public account plus posted again. My gains were up to 353 at this point. So as you can see, I'm just steady making money. Of course, the market hit all-time highs in the S&P, the Nasdaq, the Russell, you know, all the way across the board, and the Dow. Then I posted here on my Charles Schwab account, which I swing trade out of. Got $1,100, a little bit over $1,100 in there. I'm up 6%, $73. You got American Airlines, Adobe, Aflac, Bank of America, BlackRock, Comcast, Costco, Cisco, Chevron, ELVT, ETTX, and of course I got more plays, but it's only a screenshot, so I was just trying to basically get the balance and the gains in there. And as you can see, some of these I'm up good on. Like for instance, BlackRock, $42.26. So excuse me, nice gains there. And here actually goes to BlackRock. It's at $714 right now, so that's gonna be a nice swing play. Then for my M1 account, posted my gains here for the day. It was up to 242.70, 25.94%. See some of the plays I have in here: Whirlpool, Honeywell, VTI, Great ETF, and Pins. Whirlpool is up the most, $60, 35.92%. Then I was looking at the Russell. It's very overbought, very overextended, so I'm expecting a pull down. So this is a play here to get into. You know, after you see the pull down, you want to buy that dip, and this will be a good small cap iShares just to jump into, and you know, ride it back up past the all-time highs. I'm pretty sure it'll probably consolidate around that all-time highs. You know, after it has a pull down, and then eventually go to another all-time high. And then NIGR is a high quality dividend stock. and right now it's just at a great value, so I posted this one. This is also something you can get into and ride the momentum back up for this one, as well as receiving dividends. So this is a nice play. Then I was looking at the technicals on this stock, NUAN. Looking at the charts, it was in a wedge, and you know, once it breaks 43, it's headed up. It's gonna hit 44, 45, 46. So this would be a nice little play for an option or a short swing play as well. You know, something you can buy into, and, you know, just make them gains. Then LB, was looking at the chart, it is as well. It's sitting right at the resistance line. So basically, once it breaks over 41, you should see this one break out and go up to 50. That's the next major resistance. So this is also a nice play to jump on, and, you know, make a few bucks on it. And then Zillow is a stock that I actually hold long term and swing trade, and I was looking at the technicals for it. I believe once it breaks 117, it's got potential to go up to 130. So this is also a nice play you can jump on as well and make a quick buck. Then you got American Express. I'm up 25%. This is one of the top dogs in this space, and I'm just letting people know, hey, don't miss the boat. You know, if you're not into American Express, you need to get in, because it's not going anywhere anytime soon. And, you know, it's a great play. American Express, Visa, MasterCard, you know, they're all doing great. And that'll be it for the vlog for today and the moves I made. Like I said in the last video, I'm going to go ahead and make about 16 trades tonight, and I'll post that video as well.